In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a meal plan that is longer than 7 days. Each individual plan can hold up to 7 days. If you'd like to create a meal plan that is longer than 7 days, simply create weekly meal plans and then combine them into a collection. For example, let's design a 21-day program together. This program will be a 21-day Mediterranean diet for heart health challenge. First, create your meal plans. The planner holds 7 days, so you'll create 3 separate meal plans. This will also ensure your client is only shopping for the items they need each week. To create a new meal plan, click on the planner and then select New. In this example, we'll use the Automator feature. Name your plan, making sure to indicate what week out of the 3-week program this is. Select the number of days you'd like to include and the meals you'd like selected. Enter any caloric or macro needs under the Rules tab. If these aren't important, you can leave them blank. Enter any dietary tags and ingredient exclusions if needed, and then click Create Plan. Repeat this process for weeks 2 and 3, modifying your meal plans as needed. When your meal plans are complete, add the meal plans to a collection. Select the icon with the 3 dots inside of each meal plan and select Add to Collection. If you haven't yet created a collection, click on Create Collection. Otherwise, select your collection and then add your plans. Repeat this for each week, accessing previous weeks under the Recents button. Once all of your weeks have been added to your collection, share your collection with your client. Select the Share button and then turn the sharing toggle to on. This will generate a sharing link. Be sure to turn on any other permissions you would like your client to have. If you'd like to include a welcome note or detailed instructions for your clients, use attachments. You can add 2 types of attachments, a link or rich text, which allows you to format text of any length. To create an attachment, select the Attachments tab, and then click New or Add Attachment. Select the type of attachment you'd like to create. For this example, we will create a welcome message, so we'll choose rich text. Enter a name and input your message into the content area. If you'd like to choose from our already pre-written snippets, select Apply from Snippet, choose Templates, and select the snippet you'd like to apply. Customize your message accordingly, and then to save, select Create Attachment. If you'd like this message to be the first thing your client sees when they log in, be sure to pin this message by clicking the icon with the 3 dots and selecting Pin Attachment. Your clients will be greeted with this message when they visit the shared link. You can always unpin this attachment by selecting the icon with the 3 dots and selecting Unpin Attachment. And if you need to edit or delete your attachment, you can select those options here too. Once your permissions are set, copy the link under the Details tab. Share it with your client in an email or using practice management software. When your client clicks on this link, they will be able to see all 3 weeks of the 21-week program you have built for them. They are greeted with the message you left for them, and the plans and lists are all separated by week, making meal shopping and meal prep a breeze. And that's how easy it is to make a meal plan longer than 7 days.